Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new here. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. So let's get right into this video. So I've already applied my tips and buffed my nails, and now I'm applying my ProDip Prep to dehydrate the nails. If you don't have any, you can use rubbing alcohol or acetone. They both do the same thing. Now I'm applying 2 layers of clear dip powder to my nails. So I applied base to 3/4 of the nail, and then I poured the clear dip powder on my nail. Then I applied base to the whole nail and then poured the clear dip powder on my nail. On the middle nail, I am applying 1 layer since I'll be encapsulating some glitter, so I don't want the nail to end up being too bulky. And also, this is an optional step, I just like doing it. A viewer requested that I do this video because she loves purple, and I also did a design similar to this a while back. I'll link to that video in the cards. Starting on the ring finger, I apply a thin layer of base and then I sprinkled this gorgeous purple dip powder on my nail. I did 3 layers of that, and this color reached full opacity on the first layer. Now on the pinky nail, I'm doing an ombre nail, so I apply base to the whole nail and then I poured the milky white dip powder on the nail. Now I'll be using these 2 acrylic brushes as my ombre brushes. So I applied another layer of base on the whole nail, and then I sprinkled the milky white dip powder on the tip area and then the purple dip powder on the nail bed area. I did 3 layers of that, but I only showed 2 layers. Next, I did the same for my index nail. If you're getting value from this video, don't forget to hit the like button below and comment your thoughts on the design as well, and don't forget to subscribe to get the best tips and tricks for beautiful and fabulous nail designs at home. Now on the middle finger, I applied a layer of the Milky White dip powder. Next, I'm going to be applying some butterfly glitters on the nail. I used my Mother One's gel base coat and I placed a thin layer on the middle nail, and then using my dotting tool to pick up the glitter and place it on the middle nail. Then I poured some clear dip powder and cured for 30 seconds. I encapsulated the middle nail with a few layers of clear dip powder, and now I'm using my dip powder base. I noticed that the purple bled a little too much on the white area, so I just sprinkled some white on the tip area and then poured the clear dip powder on the nail bed area. Then I just encapsulated all of the other nails with a few layers of clear dip powder, but I only showed one layer. Then I applied activator to the nails, waited for it to harden, then began filing. This is after filing of the nails. And now I'm applying my Mother One's gel glue and gel top coat on my ring nail. Then I placed some rhinestones. And poured some caviar beads on the nail and cured for 30 seconds. Then I'm using my shiny top coat on my middle finger, and on the index and pinky nail I applied my Mother One's matte top coat and cured for 30 seconds. Next, using my gel glue and a dotting tool, I placed a bead of the gel glue at the cuticle area of the index and the pinky nail, and then I placed 2 rhinestones on the nail and cured for 30 seconds. Then I applied my cuticle oil to rehydrate my skin and nails, and this is the finished look. So let me know what you guys think of this design. I really liked how it came out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.